Hi guys, this is Arjun, your host from Foodie and the Feast. I know इस लॉकडाउन में आप अपने फेवरेट cuisines और फेवरेट डिशेस मिस कर रहे होंगे. मैं तो डेफिनेटली मिस कर रहा हूँ. And today actually I was craving for a dessert, like a nice chocolatey dessert. But I'm not much of a chef or a cook. But I thought, why not make myself useful and make something on my own. तो आज मैं बनाने वाला हूँ एक super easy 3-minute chocolate mug cake. So let's get to it. So what you're gonna need is a mug, of course. It can be a coffee mug or a tea mug, but it has to be a little big. Then we need 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, 3 tablespoons of castor sugar. I don't have castor sugar, so I'm using brown sugar, which I have at home. Need around 3 tablespoons of milk, and the rest of the ingredients I'm going to tell you as I add them. Okay, so first we're going to combine all the dry ingredients into the mug. So that's the flour that goes in first. Now I'm going to add the cocoa powder. Next I'm adding in the sugar. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. There you go. I'm going to give this a bit of a stir. Now I'm going to add all the liquid ingredients. I'll add in the milk. Then we add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we're going to mix this all nicely so it becomes a nice smooth texture. Now that it's mixed well, I'm going to be adding 2 small squares of chocolate. I'm using the Cadbury Silk. And also I'm going to add a small pinch of salt because salt gets out all the flavors. So yeah, and then give it another mix. So my mug cake mixture is ready now. It's nice and smooth and it's ready to go into the microwave. Make sure the mug that you're using is microwave safe and friendly. And I'm going to keep this inside for 90 seconds. So keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't spill. So we wait for 90 seconds now. So the mug cake is out of the microwave, and as you can see, it's nicely cooked. So once it's out of the microwave, let it rest for about a minute because it's going to be super hot. And after that, you can top this with a dollop of Nutella or with vanilla ice cream or whatever ice cream you like. As you can see, I have already demolished this mug cake. You can see the chocolate has melted through. It's nice and gooey. You're gonna enjoy this. So that was a super quick, easy and yummy chocolate cake recipe. Do give it a shot and let us know in the comments below how you liked it. For more such fun and interesting recipes, keep following the Foodie channel.